Hello everyone, my name is Jerry Balderas, and welcome to the Infinite Money Glitch technical demo where we are going to showcase our rewards distribution platform. We want to highlight our live audit system, our alert system, and you're going to see our beautiful snapshot dashboard. Then we're proud to present our brand new feature, LP Rewards. Then we're going to discuss testing as we cover our botnet framework, our devnet market simulator, and we'll end the show with an LP arbitrage simulation. Let's cover live audit. So our rewards distribution platform is deployed to the Solana devnet, and we sped up the entire process. So our allocation process is done every 5 minutes, and our distribution process is done every 30 minutes. And we did this so that we can catch errors quickly, and so that we can also showcase the platform. So you can see here the snapshot is created where it captures all of the holder balances. And then we also have all of the withheld IMG that's taken from transfer fees. And so the way it works is our platform has to go out and get all of those addresses, and then it also has to get all of the accounts where this IMG, the withheld IMG, is stored. And as just for verification, you can see here that if you take the holder balance added with the withheld balance, the total balance should actually equal the total supply on the blockchain itself. So this accounts for every token of IMG. In this case, you could see here that there was not enough IMG to harvest, so we immediately stop and say, okay, let's go on to the next snapshot. Eventually, we collect enough IMG, so here's a good one right here. So we create a new snapshot. We see that there is more IMG withheld now, and so now we're able to harvest it. So we go into the harvest phase, and taking all of those accounts, we then bundle them up into one transaction, and we're able to harvest those fees and then put them into the rewards wallet, which is what you see right here. The rewards wallet then goes through and then swaps that 104,000 IMG back into Solana, which it can then use to distribute to all the holders. And then if you click on this one here, you click on the one here, you'll see that there is a SolScan link there so that you can verify all of this. All of this is about transparency. We then go into the commission phase. So the community has an infrastructure wallet, which is a community wallet that people can use for marketing or any other expenses that benefits the community. And they've all agreed to send 10% of the rewards pool to that wallet. And so we have evidence of that here. And of course, we show how much was actually sent. The next phase is the allocation phase. The allocation phase takes the 14,472 recipients and allocates it to and has the 6.14 SOL allocated to them. We use an internal ledger for that. It's on a database, and so we ensure that everybody's tracked. So even if a distribution is skipped, that balance is still there, and then they'll still get rewarded an accurate amount. And then finally, we go into the reconcile phase. The reconcile phase is when we look at all of the transactions on the reward wallet itself to ensure that there are no manual transactions done outside of the platform, and it just keeps the team accountable. Okay, now let's go back up and look at a distribution. I really like this distribution batch right here. So every 30 minutes, a distribution batch is created, and it goes through that internal ledger, finds all of the balances for pending rewards, gets all of those addresses, and in this case, there's 343 holders, bundles them up into packs of 20, and then transfers all the Solana to them through these transactions here. So if you click on one of these here, you can then see that it's there. We can click on it, and you can see that all of the transactions are there. That concludes live audit. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Andrew. We built a distributed testing framework to simulate over 10,000 wallets performing swaps and transfers at once, all in a controlled, authorized environment. Each wallet acts like a real user, letting us measure success rate, latency, and system load under heavy traffic. Our harvesting and distribution systems were designed for concurrent execution, so the framework helped us fine-tune limits and cut failures dramatically. The network of agents, what we call our botnet, can be configured to run either in swap or transfer mode with a single toggle, making large-scale stress testing fully automated and repeatable.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I built two tokens with liquidity pools, DSOL and DETH, to simulate full yields of Solana and Ethereum market activity in just one day. Our market simulator bot uses real liquidity pool equations to adjust prices and liquidity every minute, mimicking actual market behavior. Meanwhile, our arbitrage bot trades across pools, capturing price gaps and generating volume to reward IMG holders. All of this, the simulation, arbitrage, and volume generation, is live on the Solana devnet, proving our system works end to end in a decentralized environment.
All right, let's go over LP rewards. So I have here a random wallet, and I'll show you that there's nothing in here, just 100 SOL, and we're going to purchase 50 SOL worth of IMG, and oh, let's do a swap here real quick because I have to get the IMG first to add to liquidity. So 50 SOL, getting that. I'm gonna buy this, and what I want to do is I want to uh, leave no IMG in the wallet itself so that we can see that we're actually getting rewards from this. So let's go ahead, and we got that now. So now let's go into liquidity, and we have a SOL IMG pool already in here. So let's go ahead and deposit this, and it's gonna put max IMG into max SOL, and then now we're going to add to this liquidity. Okay, and so we're going to confirm here. Okay, well, we're cutting it short, but if you guys remember that one wallet that I was able to buy the liquidity pool tokens with, you can see here the token balance is one token, portfolio, it's that one token, that's the LP token. If you go back to transactions, you'll see that IMG, 1MG, is the rewards wallet, and if you click on this here, you'll see that it has been part of a bundle. And if you go back, you go here, you'll see that it's part of a bundle as well. So yes, evidence that the LP rewards are working.